Today I'm going to show you how to find a missing folder in Outlook. So I'm starting by opening my Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, I'm logging into my account so all my emails can load in properly. This might take a few seconds depending on how many emails you have, so just give it a moment to fully load everything. Now that my email has loaded, I'm ready to start looking for that missing folder. I'm heading over to the inbox pane on the left side of the screen. This is where all your emails and email folders are normally displayed. What I'm doing now is locating the email account that's associated with the folders I'm trying to find. This is usually shown as your email address name near the top of the folder list. Once I've found it, I'm right-clicking directly on that email account header. A context menu pops up right away with several different options. From this menu, I'm clicking on IMAP folders. This option is what allows you to see and manage all the folders that exist within your email account, including the ones that might not be currently visible in your folder pane. As soon as I click that, an IMAP folders search window appears on my screen. This is where Outlook lets you query and reveal all the folders associated with your email account. The process here is actually quite straightforward. All I need to do is click on the query button. Once I click it, Outlook immediately starts searching and displaying all the folders that are connected to your email account. This includes folders that might have been hidden or weren't showing up in your main folder list before. You'll see everything populate in this window, and from here you can identify which folder was missing and make sure it's visible going forward. And that's it. By opening Outlook, right-clicking on your email account header, selecting IMAP folders, and clicking Query, you've now revealed all your email folders, including the one that was missing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.